with a listing that is going to be hitting the market soon. Now, Priority Jewels' IPO is opening for subscription, and joining us in the studio today are Shailesh and Aditi. Thank you both for being with us.
Thank you.
Shailesh, first to you now. What do you think is really going to be driving the growth for Priority Jewels after the IPO actually opens?
So basically, we are on a good trajectory, and over the last 3 years, we have been seeing that we are growing at a good rate. And with this new fresh funds coming into the company, the growth will be at a much better rate than what we are currently at also.
Okay, and Aditi, hi, welcome to the show as well. Give us a little bit of a color on the operations of the company. I understand you provide studded jewelry and other lightweight everyday wear jewelry to other retail players. Talk to us about what the demand on ground is looking like. First, with respect to the gold prices that we're seeing, and they remain highly volatile. And on the other hand, we've got the festive demand also coming up, and that's already in fact started to trickle in. How is business shaping up?
So, like you said, we're in that sweet spot of light and affordable, which is growing at the highest pace currently. Because we are B2B model and we supply to chain stores as well as independent stores across India, demand is in a good shape. Diwali is looking good. Work is come in, and purity may change because of gold prices. A lot of customers have moved from 18 to 14 and to 9 carat, but volumetrically, it's looking good.
And Aditi, who really are your biggest clients, and what does that client base look like?
So like I said, we do 50% of our business is India, 50% is export. And within India, we have a good number of chain stores like Kalyan, Joya Lucas, and as well as independents, Carrot Lane, customers like that who are looking out for the affordable everyday wear, workwear category as well.
Okay, and Mr. Sangani, also give us a sense of the debt that you have on the books. I understand that out of the 92 crore that you're looking to raise, 75 crore is going towards debt repayment.
Yes.
As per the latest numbers that I just saw, 102 crores thereabouts is the kind of debt that you have on your books,
True.
right? So out of that, 75 crore will go away. What's the plan for the incremental debt repayment? What could the timeline look like?
No, so we continuously need to have that because we keep on buying our gold from only banks. We do not buy it in the open market.
Okay.
So bank is a revolving thing. We keep on, so there is something called as GML, gold metal loan. So we get our gold on gold metal loan from the banks, and we keep on churning it as we make the jewelry, and as we sell, we close our deal with the bank. So there is a continuous loop in the thing. So whatever is excess funds we have currently will be paying off to almost 75 crore rupees out of this will be paid off to the bank. The rest is coming in working capital, and that should be good for us.
So just trying to understand, since you are buying gold only from banks, what is the hedging policy like
So
on gold?
that is automatic hedging.
Automatic
because
hedging, right, yes.
GML comes without a fixed price on the gold. So you have a time limit. We have 180 days to close our gold with the banks. So within that much time, we are able to close, and that's when we sell to our customer. That is what the price we close with the bank at.
So that raw material comfort is anyway there.
So there is no
that
hedging.
Sounds good. Yeah.
There is no.
All right, and Mr. Sangani, where do you really see this IPO creating most value for you, and where do you intend to largely use these proceeds?
Yeah, so we are not doing any OFS, so we are not taking any money home. All the money is coming into the company. The company right now, it's on a growth path, needs a lot of funds to grow. Gold is not a cheap material, it's an expensive thing. So it's, so all these funds is ultimately going to go into the company to grow the company. And so we are looking at future as very good, growth path is there ahead of us. We are just at a very, you can say at a decent stage, and to grow from here is a good thing.
You was wanting to say something.
Yes, sorry, I was just going to add to that the plan is to, since we've been in this affordable range and this category, the plan is also to move slightly up to the slightly occasion wear as well. So we also want to create a new line and start taking that line to our existing customers. We have a great customer base of more than 200 customers. So if we're able to enter other territories with them, it will help us grow.
So I have a little interesting question, okay? You are listing at a time where simultaneously, and you of course must be aware,
yes,
you
absolutely.
have 3-4 other peers from the
Yes.
same industry also listing at this exact time. Why are you looking at listing now? I mean, what's the rationale in terms of this time?
I think the jewelry industry is in a good place, and it's a good time for us. We're being able to see the growth in front of us, so we feel like it's the right time for us. And I think there are some inherent advantages with listing, even for export. So we intend to be able to show our customers we are on the right path of corporate governance as well.
You were wanting to add
Yeah, so I
something.
was just wanting to add. So if you see, most of the jewelry that is getting listed is all B2C. Retailers are getting more listed. So retailers are getting organized in a proper way. But the back end, which is us, we now need to start getting organized as per the retailers. So that is what you are going to start seeing, that you are going to see the manufacturers coming in and organizing themselves properly, so that we are able to cater to the retailers who are already organized, who are already in this, in a larger state. So in order to push that part, you'll see the manufacturers coming in more organized, and it will happen that way.
Right, you were mentioning the fact that you want to enter more markets. So is there any specific thing that you have looked up, with Diwali approaching soon, and we are really entering into the festive season? So what are the plans for that?
So that's what I'm trying. There's a gap between when you come to affordable, lightweight, everyday, the kind that you wear to work, but then also then there's bridal. But there's a gap in between that we're trying to cater to next, which is the occasion where what you would wear, say, for a function or a friend's function or a puja or even a dinner party. That's the category that we're trying to enter now.
And, you made that distinction between B2B and B2C. And in fact, my next question to you was that there are a couple of players who listed as B2C, B2B players, and now they're foraying into their own stores as well. Is that on the cards for you? Maybe in the near future, are you looking at retail presence?
No. We are not looking at all. Not
at the moment.
Not at the moment at all.
For sure. We'll
nowhere in the
cross that bridge when we get there.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, both of you, for coming to the studio and joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for your time today. Okay, viewers, that was the management of Priority Jewels joining us on the show. Just a little bit about their IPO before we slip into a very short break. The IPO opens today, is going to be open till the 1st of September, listing on the 4th of September. Entirely fresh issue worth 92 crore rupees, no component of offer for sale. And the price band is between 190 and 200 rupees per share for a lot size of 75 shares. So that's a little bit on the IPO, and we've just heard from the management in terms of their